Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So I have some leftover potato salad from 4th of July and I need to use it up. So I'm going to turn it into potato patties. It is so hot, you guys. And let's talk about Mr. Bill, the gates of hell, being under investigation. Did you know he's under investigation? His trust purchased 6 parcels of farmland in North Dakota, and the Attorney General, I'm just smashing the potatoes into smaller pieces. The Attorney General is putting him under investigation, or opening an investigation on why his trust purchased this land, if you know what his intentions are to do with it. He is now the largest farmland owner in the United States. Apparently, that land, you know, they want to make sure he's not going to be cutting off cattle that have grazed that land for decades. So you do not need to add egg to this because of the mayonnaise that is already in it. So that's all I'm doing, is making patties. So, and I will put the article to this story down below. But I believe he bought over 240,000 acres. And if he cuts off the cattle that graze that land, it can cause more food issues and raise beef prices even more. So, as you know, he would like to see us eat lab-created meat and bugs. I'm making a heck of a mess. So I thought I would update you all on that. I think everybody had heard that he purchased that land, but I don't know if you all know he is under investigation for said purchase. So I'm going to get my skillet hot. What are you doing, Rocky? Add some Earl. I don't think anyone should be able to own that much farmland. We have people from Asian countries coming here and buying land to grow marijuana. So there's a lot going on with our land, and we're not the ones owning it. So I think everyone should. If you sell it to people that shouldn't have it, you should be penalized too. So yeah, this is just another way to, I'm sitting here holding my patty, to make a different type of potato patty. some flour. After you flour them up, you can dip them in some egg wash if you want, and then roll them again in some panko crumbs. And that'll make them super crispy. I just want that oil to be hot so they don't melt. I want them to get a crisp on them. What do you guys think about him making these land purchases? Are you concerned? Do you think he's going to cut off the cattle? What do you think his intentions are? I find it fishy. And then what happens if, in this investigation, I mean, can they take the land away? I'm not real clear on the laws in North Dakota. My new bottle of Duke's mayonnaise seems very buttery. We're just gonna fry those up. Put another one in the flour. It's a very messy job. You could probably use one of those ice cream scoopers to do this. So I'm just going to fry these up and then I'll be back. I have Italian sausages, onions, and peppers in the Cuisinart. So here they are. There's 2 left in there. There's my plate. Here's the crunch. And you could put ketchup on if you want. And that is smoking hot. But I've been making these for a few years now just to get rid of potato salad, leftover potato salad, just in a different way. And it's good stuff. That's really hot. I really don't want to burn my mouth. Kind of like my tongue. They're good, you guys. Try it. Mix them with some flour. Patty it up, flour the outside really well, and fry them up. And they are actually good. You may not think so, but they are. So anyways, I'll put that story about the gates of hell down below. And if you have leftover potato salad and you need an idea, go for it. And tomorrow I'm going to do something with leftover corn on the cob. So you all stay safe, you stay cool, because I got really hot out there working in the yard today. You stay safe, you stay cool, you stay healthy, and I will see you all in the next video.